What's going on, guys? Today we're playing some Madden. As you guys can see. So if you saw last episode, we rebuilt the Titans. I'd say it's a pretty good team. We're only gonna do 1 year with the Titans, but I'd say it's a pretty good team. I got everything over here in specialist correct. Okay, so yeah. Let's sim all the way to the playoffs. First up, alright. Let's first sim to the mid-season, see how our team's going through the mid-season. If they're doing bad, we might have to play the rest of the regular season.
Well, not like the rest,
but like a couple games. So
yeah.
Just make sure of that.
Oh, we beat the Bengals. Barely. That's not a good
No way, bro.
There's no way.
We're 7-0.
It's because of like AJ Brown and Calvin Ridley.
We are 7-0.
Wait, who upgraded?
Let's see. Calvin Ridley's 85.
AJ Brown 81 for DK.
Yeah, okay. Derrick Henry.
You got Zach Martin and Quinn Nelson. That's why Derrick Henry's like a
Von Miller.
99.
Okay. So it looks like we don't have to play a game. Alright, let's sim to the playoffs.
I say we go 14-2.
Yeah, I don't
or
think
13-3.
I don't think we're going undefeated.
Yeah, there's no way.
We're not going undefeated. There's no way. 12-4.
Hey, wait, we're playing the wild card?
Yeah, we're 12-4.
I thought we
lost 4 games.
Of course.
Madden loves the Browns, don't they?
Of course.
Let's go check out this. So, won the division at 12-4. Browns go 13-3. Saints go 12-4, and we're third in the league in rankings.
The Giants made it.
No!
The Cowboys.
Okay, so let's just look at our stats. Ryan Tannehill, really good year. 4,909.
Terrible year for McDonald's.
4,009.
Nuggets guy.
Oh yeah. McDonald's is not doing good this year.
He didn't even.
Did you get any money? McDonald?
Probably
I'm not sure you got any money.
Probably like 100K.
Yeah, I guess. I'm not sure you got any money. I'm not sure you sold any Big Macs or anything.
Okay.
So he 11 picks, 38 touchdowns. He has 66 pass. Sacked 27 times. He had a 70 long pass. Okay, let's check out Derrick Henry.
Wait.
That's a downgrade to Derrick Henry's year, but I mean, he still had a pretty decent year, averaging 4.7 yards a carry, 8 rushing touchdowns.
He averages like 1,700 yards a year.
Who is this? He's just got 6 rushing touchdowns. Whoa. He had 50 broken tackles. Wow. Oh, he had 1 fumble.
How did he get sacked like 27 times?
DK Metcalf. In the slot, 85 receptions, 1,448 yards, average of 17 yards per reception, 13 touchdowns, 90.5 yards per game.
How is he only like an 81 if he did that well?
I'm not sure. Yeah, wait. Let's go to defense. Most tackles to the team goes to Jayon Brown. Tackles for loss. Jerome Baker, 13. Sacks. Von Miller. Interception.
He had 60.
Dory was 2.
That's 60.
Any forced fumbles? Oh, Kevin Byard forced 1 and recovered 1.
That's pretty good.
And then defensive touchdowns. No. And offensive touchdowns. No. So, who cares? Let's check out yearly awards. MVP goes to Baker Mayfield.
Of course.
And the Titans. Ryan Tannehill at 5. I don't know why. He had almost a
Okay.
5,000 season. And Mike Vrabel's number 4 for that.
Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah.
Offensive player of the year, Ryan Tannehill's number 4. And yeah.
Colin Kaepernick.
Wait,
the
what? No.
Broncos.
Defensive player of the year.
No one.
No. Offensive rookie of the year. Anybody? No.
There was someone up there that's Titan.
Oh, yeah. Darrington Evans. All right. So, defensive rookie of the year. Anybody? No. Best quarterback.
Oh, we're set. We're
Second. Ryan Tannehill, second. Best running back. Derrick Henry, second. Best wide receiver. Let's go, DK! All right. Ooh, Zach Martin. Quinn Nelson. Yay. 2 Titans.
2 big boys.
And then we have that guy at number 10.
That's pretty easy.
Von Miller up there, number 6 for best linebacker.
Oh,
Best
he's
defensive back.
left outside.
Nobody. Best kicker. Who cares? All right, let's head to the game. Let's first take a look at our team. 87 overall.
That's pretty good.
Ooh. DK Metcalf, 84. Calvin Ridley, 85. AJ Brown, 85. Ooh.
AJ
Ryan Tannehill's 83. Derrick Henry's there.
Asher, just saying, AJ Brown is way better in real life.
I know.
He should,
But I started the preseason. It's not fully upgraded players. All right, so let's upgrade our players before the game, and then we'll head into the game. I don't care about the game day strategy.
how did the Jets make it?
So we're only gonna be playing this game.
Oh, hi Nick.
Hi, Nick Bosa. All right, let's hurry up. Alrighty. I'm kicking it off.
Good. We need to defer. We did defer.
Yeah, because it's our home.
You look so weird when you like.
Who cares? Oh, Sam Darnold. Alrighty.
He's using Brown. He's
man.
using. Bro, Asher is the hit stick god. Just saying.
Oh, it fumbled. He fumbled it out. Wait, where's Vaughn? Is Vaughn injured? Pick that! I think Von Miller's injured. I'm not sure.
Well, that really sucks. That's why they're.
Yeah.
Not really.
It's a 2-yard loss. I got you. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Adoree. Let's go, Adoree. Go, go, go. Pick 6. Let's go. Whee! Let's freaking go. Boom, 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 boom. I am going to go for 2. Because why not?
Brown or Metcalf or Ridley. Prefer the. Oh, they have.
I need to run.
They're doubling Ridley.
Oh, what? Who's that?
That could have. We could have. Yeah, Ryan Tannehill. Make sure there's a pass interference by going whoa.
There's going to be a short kick because I like short kicks. Because then, watch this. Boom!
Because they don't need it.
He's a 37
you
yard
can
line.
hit
He's
stick them
at
and they
30.
don't need it. That's why, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm bringing the pressure.
I have a question. How did the Jets make the playoffs?
Exactly. How did they make the playoffs? Kenny. Come on. I'm using Jerome Baker right now.
You use your Vaughn if he wasn't injured.
I would use your Ron.
Vaughn Miller.
After this matchup, after this game, I'm gonna check Von Miller. What happened to him?
Go. Hit him. Ooh, that's a hit.
Oh, fumble.
Joseph.
Let's go.
Now, if we score a touchdown, we're going to have to go for 2.
Who will go?
Ridley. Let's hit Ridley. Oh, they're doubling him. Oh,
No, I did not see him.
Ridley was blind.
Oh, one of his guys got injured.
Oh no, Bowser from Mario Kart. Oh, let's pound the rock. Oh, nice. Broken tackle.
Oh, broken.
More broken tackle. That was nearly 30 yards.
Yeah. Alrighty.
Hit the red route. Or hit Derrick Henry. Kill some people.
Derrick Henry.
Well, not kill, but just
Pound the rock.
Yeah, we need to burn some clock out. And we need to score.
Oh, he just struck somebody.
And we need to, upgrade him to, a knight. So, let's just make him have a game, Derek. Let's hit Walker or Metcalf. There we go. That's what we're talking about. Corey
Threading
Davis.
the needle.
Dang. That's Corey Davis.
No, I think that's Calvin Ridley. Yeah, it's Calvin Ridley.
Oh, I thought it was Corey Davis. Oh,
now we have to go for 2. Because of my dumb
decision. Oh, you're running. They didn't run commit. I'm just saying. Oh, yes.
Whoa! That was bad blocking right there. Either that, I don't think they ran commit.
Ashley, the Buccaneers have a bunch of key players, and they can only sign one. Antonio Brown, Gronk, Alonzo David, Ndamukong Suh. Hit him.
Oh!
No way, bro. There's no way.
Oh my gosh.
Just run the rock with him. You're going to have to go for 2 again.
Yeah, I know. Trucking.
Keep running it. Well, no,
I don't want to.
Let's hit Metcalf.
Metcalf.
There we go. Touchdown.
Touchdown.
Spike it.
Yeah, spike it.
Now you have to go for 2.
Again.
Hit Metcalf for Brown.
Oh my god.
They are just killing us on 2-point conversion.
It's your decision. You decided to go for the first 2-point conversion.
Me?
Yeah, you're the one. You were the one who made me do it.
Fine, I was. Ooh, that's like the 5th hit stick, and we're only in the first quarter go.
Alright, so let's get this. I feel like this is going to be a run. Yeah. Alright, Frank Gore. That's 7 yards.
Oh, it's a run pass option.
Hey, I'm hide behind Jerome. Look at that. No.
I knew it was a run pass option. I could tell from the line.
No, you couldn't.
Yeah, could.
Pass. Oh!
What's inside the blue one?
No, one of our players got injured.
What's the blue one?
One of our players got injured. It was our D tackle. Yeah. Oh my god. Not doing so good. I'm not risking my players. This is the playoffs. I'm not risking them. Plus, we're up 18-0. End of the first. End of the first, up 18-0. They're driving though, so gotta be a bit careful here. Okay, hit the check down, 2 yards, all right. So, it's just run. No, it's pass. Oh my god. He just shook that tackle off. Like a big boy. Even though he's not a big boy. Smithy! Who's the... Oh, I almost blocked that.
That was close.
Who's the Jets kicker?
Tyler Bass.
No, it's not. That's the Buffalo Bills kicker.
I know that. Adam Humphries, spin move.
No,
Juke.
no.
Breaks tackle.
No! Oh my gosh.
At the 49.
I was so close to returning, but he juked. I accidentally hit the juke button, and then he juked. I could have gotten the touchdown out of that.
Oh, that's Brown or that Ridley. Oh, Ridley was about to hit him for like a huge. But please take it. Pound the rock. We gotta make sure. Oh, truck them, run them over, Derek. That should have been the loss of 2, but it's like a game. They're not gonna see a second run coming.
No, they probably are.
Yeah, I dare you. If we don't get the first, I dare you to run it again.
Oh,
I
Derrick Henry is low on fatigue.
Bubble screen. No, hit the comeback. Crispy crunch. What was that, Ryan?
He was under pressure, but
Yeah,
he
I
was still.
Oh, you're trying to slow man it. There's no way, bro. Oh, that made it. No. Did he make it?
No, he missed it.
He missed it? Come on, man. Godkowski, I think, is good.
No!
No way, bro. He just got that?
He caught that. What?
Who's that? Oh, N. Davis?
Yeah, I had no idea. But now we have a horrible right guard. How many injuries have there been in this game?
Hey, at least we have Zach Martin and Quentin Nelson. Hit stick, Jerome. That's Jerome Baker, guys.
Let's go. Let's go. You know what? I'm done just running the rock after this play. I'm gonna chuck it deep.
Yeah, run out the clock with Henry and then like.
Oh my gosh! Why are there so many injuries?
Because everyone is injury prone.
You know, I might
Definitely AJ Brown or Calvin.
Oh my god!
Maybe Metcalf.
What
was that, Ryan? Man, if we don't like Josh Allen, we'd be way better.
Other number 3 here.
F. There's AJ. Woo woo.
Boom.
There goes his ankle.
Okay. Verticals.
Let's hit E. F. He's sending it.
That's pass interference.
Yeah, let's get the P.
Thank you.
P-I-P-I.
Ooh, look at Cheese crushing the Pats. Yeah. I'm declining. Because I am. No, I'm just.
Let's hit Brown or Ridley. Because we're Reds. Oh, there we go.
Wait, what?
How? That we got lucky there. We got lucky.
I thought that was a slant, not a fade. They're blitzing everything.
They got.
You know what? I'm fading Ridley, taking a chance.
Oh, touchdown.
Whoa! Oh my god. I'm not being scared. I am going for
I
it.
gave him one cookie. Yeah, we ain't. Bro, they are so good in this red zone so far. No!
What was that?
Interference.
What was that, Ryan? I pulled past it. And you threw a lob pass. Gee! Oh my god. I think they're just running up the clock. So.
And we deferred, so we'll get ball. That's it.
Let's go safety! 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 I brought the pressure.
Let's at least get a field goal.
Who is this guy, Raymond?
Let's at least get a field goal and then score because we deferred. So we're in a pretty good.
Screen pass to Derek.
Get out of bounds.
Whoa! Did you see that stiff arm?
Time out. Time out.
Time out. I'm gonna call it timeout.
Metcalf.
Yes.
It's like he'll get out of bounds. Time out.
Timeout. Oh my god.
You have to get in field goal range, man.
I know I am.
And call timeout with like 3 seconds. No.
He caught that! How did he catch that?
Go to the end zone. If not, we'll take our 3.
Ooh. Safety on Metcalf. Let's go!
Now it's up to you if we go for 2 or not.
I'm going for 2.
Walker, definitely. Base, there we go.
What's the flag? Really? So,
There's no way I get this home run. Terrible accuracy.
who cares? It's squib kick. Are they just gonna run the clock off like scaredy cats?
Probably. It's a run field.
Nope, they're gonna chuck it. Yeah. I feel like it. Yep, they're going home.
We're only rushing through. No way, after pick. We're incomplete.
Alrighty, let's go.
Game plan for the second half. Run it a lot. That's our game plan.
See ya.
2 spin, 3 spins.
Wow. Okay, Adam. We know you can throw a spin now. I like this play. I
Hit
Pump.
the red.
pump.
There we go, AJ.
If
What?
you saw the pump fake, Gathers came towards the pump fake, and then I got hit AJ Brown over the top. See,
Move
look at
those
this.
chains.
See what I pumped. He went down
You're not
there.
supposed to
and
move
go.
those chains.
But I don't want to move the chains.
There we go. Pound the rock with Henry. You need like truck someone. Oh, nice spin. Breaking
Wait,
tackles. I say probably run again. Not sure. Maybe we're throwing.
No.
We're throwing. No. It's a run. Here we go. Truck someone. Truck again. More. Truck more. He's probably gonna rush it again, but we're gonna see. Probably gonna throw it. Hand it off to your fullback. I dare you to hand it off to your fullback.
Who is my full blasting game? Whoever that is. My O lineman just tripped me.
I swear, if you run it again.
I'm running it.
Oh yeah, you're right. Hey, and only snap the ball with like 3 on the shot clock.
Ah!
There's a good 20
Yeah.
seconds before you snap.
No.
Soy? R, wide open.
No. I'm running.
Ow. You could have got 3 yards with R. Now we're taking our 3 or going.
I got hit.
We can go for it.
I'm gonna go for it.
Because yeah, we're up 21. Hit the red. Just hit whoever's open.
Go. Upfield. Yikes! I probably should scramble for it. Probably should have pump fake there.
You're gonna get denied when Asher hit sticks you. Just saying.
I don't know what just happened.
He kicked the ball.
What?
He kicked that ball. Incomplete.
Incomplete.
Oh, it's
All right.
complete, but no.
Alrighty. So
Run pass option. It's a run. No, run pass option. They take the running back. Go clock. Run like
Run like the wind clock.
That's right, Tannehill. Get pumped. You're about to go to the divisional round and face the
Oh, let's go.
lowest seed in the second lowest seed in the playoffs. Yeah, you're about to face that.
Here.
They expected a run, but it's a pass.
Check. How did that work?
No way, bro.
I have no idea how that works.
You got most. That's our new saying. Well, not saying. Oh, there we go. Tutty.
Boom.
He hit sticked him, but he got it in the end zone first.
Boom, boom, boom. Airplane.
Calvin. Are we doing a fake?
We did not have to fight and claw. We literally went 12-4, and the other team went 9-7. We did not have to fight and claw. Direct curve. Come here. I'm gonna smack you. Pow. Told you. Who even is that guy who's returning? Who is number 32?
Yeah, you're right.
Those changes ain't working. Pick. I'm gonna hide behind this guy. Whoa, what happened to him?
What happened to the scoreboard? It glitched out.
I think I know what I should do. Wait, let me fix the scoreboard. Wait 1 second. And there. Okay. So yeah, just fixed the scoreboard. So
My goal for you, Asher, is 45 points at least.
Bumbo.
I only think you're gonna get another touchdown. Play action. PA.
And no.
Not play action, but.
No.
Oh no 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 no
Hey.
no 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 no
Ow.
like that.
Ow. Oh man, that hurts. Ah.
Motion the tight end. Motion a whiteout. I know what this play is. I knew it was. They motioned two players and then. Okay, score 45 points. Easy. Just pound the rock. Get some trucks. Get some more stuff.
Ham. Ah, guys. Oh. Oh yeah. No. Come on. Oh my god. They almost got the onside kick.
Yeah, the Falcons, like, they can't. They don't know how to play. So, yay, it doesn't go 10 yards. Once it goes 10 yards.
Oh! He hurdled him! He hurdled him! He literally just hurdled him!
Oh my gosh.
Look at
that's
this. I mean, he literally just
You
hurdled
instantly
somebody.
play.
Did you see that?
Hey, the guy who owns a restaurant that's named after him was holding it. McDonald's.
Yay! Yes, you guys are.
They have to score 28 points in 5
It's
minutes.
what you
and
get for
40
making the
seconds.
playoffs.
There's no way. Crispy Cumbrack?
Crumbrack. That's how you say crumbrack. You say comeback. I say comeback. You say crumbrack.
Crispy Crumback.
No, come on. No, press. Why are you guys going so far? Yikes.
Run like the wind clock. You better be under 4 minutes by the time they hike it.
No, I can't.
They should be quick hiking everything if they still want to win.
Oh, that's a. I did not see the screen, but it's lucky.
The Giants are 12-4. Mad does not know what they're doing. They didn't even win the division. The football team won the division. They have my man.
He
Chase
lost a.
Young.
He has another fumble.
They're gonna go verticals and a screen, and a slant. 2 verticals and slant.
He's short. They're gonna go for him.
Well, duh, they have to. Bunch, I see them. 1 out route, 1 slant, 1 vertical.
Yeah, but come on.
Holding on offense.
Flag, hold. Yes.
There we go.
Alright. Pass.
Hit stick. That's what we're talking
Whoever
about.
this guy Herndon
No,
is,
that's not what we're talking about.
this guy number 89, Herndon. I don't know what his name is. Whatever his name is.
Hayden Hurst?
No.
He's on the
Corner.
Falcons.
Herndon. He.
Signed a 1-year deal with the ATL.
We have 5 takeaways today. We had a season ranking of 20, and we have 5 takeaways today.
That's because we're like hopping into the game. It's dead. That's what we're talking about. Just pound the rock, score maybe a field goal.
Yes, let's go. I'm gonna just pound the rock. Imagine Derrick Henry takes us to the house. Alrighty. So. Oh, let's try a read option. Let's try a read option with Ryan Tannehill.
Read option. The Bills playbook probably is a read option because Josh Allen is a pretty decent runner like Russell Wilson, Lamar Jackson, Pat Mahomes, boy. Not Ryan Tannehill, but
Oh my god.
oh no! I dare you to onside kick for safety. Or fake punt for safety.
You can't.
Oh, right. Find it short so you can, boom, boom, bam, fumble. Do that.
Davis. Oh, I think that's a rookie.
We're gonna probably win 16-42, so
Yeah, so we'll just see anything interesting.
I guess you are gonna get 45 plus points unless you need it. Run twice and then probably kneel.
And then make a last second field goal.
Yeah. You're gonna have like 3 timeouts unless you be stupid and use it. Wow, they're not using their timeouts. Interesting.
Yeah, because the game's over.
Wait, the clock. There. Only snap it under 1 minute. That is the number one thing. They still think the game's not over.
It's not true.
Why aren't they using their timeouts?
If they use their timeouts, then the game's over. Then they know the game's not over.
Field goal. Wait until there's like 3 seconds.
I'm gonna let it go at 3 seconds. No,
Okay, yeah.
7 seconds.
7?
You'll see why.
Onside.
They'll have a chance for a Hail Mary.
Yeah.
I just want to have some fun with the Hail Mary.
Yeah, have some fun. We won 42-16, guys, so. Like and subscribe to the gaming channel.
No, stop it. It's my outro.
You killed me.
I know I did. Okay, so. Stop it. What are you doing?
I'm dead.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Okay, well. Subscribe to the gaming channel. Hope you guys like this video. We'll probably make another video on next Tuesday, so. Hope you guys liked it, and, thanks. Peace. Stop.
Upload it now.